My name is Jerry Marquez. I'm from Norwood, Massachusetts. I was in the Army and I was a generator mechanic. It's stuff I've never done, so it's like stuff I never knew you could make money off, but now I see so many different ways to make money. Yeah, since I was 16, I've always just been installing systems in my car, my friends' cars, but yeah, I thought it was time to get, an education on it. Read some alumni, reviews, and emailed it around, and Installer Institute just seemed like the better fit. They accommodated me with everything I needed. We learned things that I never thought I would go that deep into in the instructor. Joe is honestly one of the best instructors I've ever had, and I've learned more here than I have in all years of grade school.
One of the local shops where I'm from suggested that if I want to get into this industry, to come here. So I quit my job of 3 years just out of the blue and decided to fly down here.
Well, it can be tough. The tests are challenging at times. Just study, and if this is what you really want to do, then you can take it as far as you want to. So I feel like this is a great place to come if you want to give yourself that opportunity.
It's the only school in the country with this kind of rigorous training and everything. You have other schools in the country that do week-long hands-on type of things, but this covers every single aspect of car audio, home audio, and everything in between. The enrollment process was really easy, and it was less structured than a regular college. I got to come here and see the whole facility before it started, all that kind of stuff. I got to meet all the instructors and everything. It was more friendly and personal kind of thing, which I liked a lot.
Get your education, because the way cars are today with integration, you can't learn that by picking up, a piece of paper. You have to get some hands-on experience with someone who knows what they're doing.